Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is going to be an ATC. I've chosen to work on hot press watercolour paper and I've chosen a stamp set by Personal Impressions called Butterfly Flowers. I'm stamping the main image, which is a heart filled with flowers, using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and then I'm stamping some of the smaller flowers around this to make my design. After leaving my ink to dry for a few minutes, I'm colouring my ATC with a range of different Inktense pencils. I'm applying them quite lightly to begin with before activating the colour with some water, and then I go back and build up the colours so that the intensity is as vibrant as I would like it. So there isn't really much to say in terms of a voiceover. You can sit back and watch the process, and I will see you again later in the video. Once I've finished with all the colouring and it's built up to an intensity that I'm happy with, I'm choosing to use a Posca pen in white, and this is to just outline some of the details. So I go around the flower centres inside of the heart, and then I go over some of the flower details around the heart. After this, I also use a Wink of Stella pen to go over the flower centres. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't really pick up the sparkle from this, but you can see it in real life. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a super quick and fun project to work on with minimal supplies that I think anybody could have a go at. The trick to getting good results with Inktense pencils is to build up your layers slowly. Don't scribble down too hard because you'll find it difficult to dissolve the ink in there, and you always get fabulous results. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. There is a product list in the video description and the usual details about my social media.